Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And what I want to share with you today is just a quick announcement of what's to come here moving forward. Yes, we do share a lot of free content, and most of the things that we offer, actually more than 99% of the things that we have are absolutely free. But today I have a special announcement, and that is that we have an upcoming course called Options Mastery, the Foundation, and we're launching version 2 of it. So if you've purchased version 1, you can go ahead and get a free upgrade. Just go ahead and request it through the live chat. We can upgrade your account. But if you are brand new to trading options, this is a great course to give you a solid foundation to trading options. And we're going to do a launch, meaning a little bit of a discount for those of you that are just brand new to trading, and you'll be able to get that course for a $50 off. So it's a course that's really honed in and focusing on the details of getting started to trading options. And for those of you that are brand new to options, this is the perfect and right course to get you going. So here's going to be kind of the sales page that we'll have. It's going to be launching November 25th. The course is going to launch at $349 minus the $50 discount there that you'll be able to get. If you purchase it early, once the discount is over, they'll mark my words, then it's over, just like you would at a store. Once the sale price is done, it is done, right? Don't go ahead and reach out a month later asking, hey, can I get the sale price? No, once it's done, it's done. That's pretty much it. It is 36 videos and 11 plus hours of training. So if you break that down on a per hour basis, it's a pretty good steal of a deal. So what we have here as far as the modules go, we're going to release them in 3 segments, which is what we typically do just to kind of get the kinks out of the first session or first segment the first week. If there's, links that are bad or not working, or the video is maybe the same as the one previously just because we linked it up incorrectly, which, rarely happens, but it does happen, then we'll go ahead and fix it and take care of it. But in either case, the first week, November 25, we have a few of these modules coming out, which is Introduction to Options Foundation course, getting started with trading options versus stocks, how are options valued and where do they get kind of their price, how the world of options works in the real world, understanding at the money, in the money, out of the money, risk profiles, how they work, risk profile pictures of a buyer, risk profile pictures of a seller, examples of in the money, at the money, out of the money, option trading platform basics, and some of the basics of the Thinkorswim platform. Then we have some of the option chains, screen, and the trading platform. Now, what side of the trade do you want to be on as an options trader? So as we get into December 2, we're going to release kind of the next batch of videos, which you'll see here, which I'll talk about later on in the coming weeks. And then you'll get into December 9th, we'll release the final batch of videos. Now, these videos, they are not just, the whole course isn't just a 2-3 hour course. It's detailed, so it is 11 hours long. I'll show you kind of the thing on my computer, just the duration on some of these. You can see 13 minutes, 22 minutes, 26 minutes. So some are more complicated things. I will go into about 43 minutes long, but on average, you're looking at about 20 minutes or so per video or so. And some are a little shorter, of course, just to get the concept across. But that's what we have. We don't have a study guide for this or PowerPoints or anything like that. A lot of it is kind of hands-on on paper, which you've seen me do in the past. And you'll see some other screen parts or little clips from the video as well, or from the video courses, which I'll show you here over the next couple of weeks as we continue the launch process. But in either case, if you're interested in this course, go ahead and get added to our Traders Fly website on the newsletter. That's where you can get the coupon code. We'll probably put it on the description as well, but go into the freebies, get one of these freebies. And if you get one of the freebies, then you can go ahead and get kind of a coupon code. You can also go into our just the promo. I think it's under promos, YouTube. And you can also just go ahead and sign up for the newsletter. Once you sign up for that, you'll be notified of what the coupon code is, the link when we launch the course as well. Or you could simply just check the Rise to Learn website here. Go there and it'll have a button here changed, kind of like we have a button here for when we release the butterfly course. You have a button, it'll just take you there and give you all the details. So the same thing here, we'll have a button, we'll have the coupon code, and you'll be able to kind of just click through and get there. So what's different between this course versus the first course? This course really is just much longer, more in depth. It's 11 hours. The first course, when we did version 1, when I first started doing kind of option education, it's only 3 hours long, so it's not as detailed because I have to put them on DVDs and that kind of thing. So now this is just all online viewing. We don't have DVDs, we don't ship anything, but in either case, that's what we have coming up. So I hope you join us. It's going to be a great course. Those of you that are brand new to trading options, if you're just getting started with options, there's a lot to learn from this course, and it gives you a solid foundation to some of the other courses that we have when it comes to option trading. So once you get into options trading in this foundation, then it'll give you a really solid blueprint to maybe trading verticals and iron condors in more detail, and calendars and diagonals and butterflies and many other strategies, but it gives you a really solid core to moving forward. And of course, if you're interested in coaching, you can buy a discounted coaching session here from the Options Foundation place. So that's kind of half off for a coaching session if you want to do that. And keep in mind, we do also offer mentoring. So those of you that want to do some in-depth mentoring, like 6+ months with me, you can also see that as well, which really you get access to the courses as needed. And that's kind of a breakdown there. So sometimes we can go 6 to 9 months. It just depends on the person, how fast those people move forward. So everybody's a little different, but it's more one-on-one sessions, mixing in the courses, and we're working together with you. So that's a whole nother level. But if you're interested in the course, get on the newsletter list. You can get on that by going to our freebies section here and just entering your email address, and then you'll be able to kind of sign up. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're brand new by clicking the link over here, checking out, getting those freebies over here on this section, or checking out some of the other videos right up top. Thanks again. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you in the course. We're also going to do a webinar probably about a month or two after that course is launched for people that purchase the course, to answer any Q&As. So that'll also help you out as well, because I think it's important for those of you that are new to trading options, get a good insight and get your questions answered. Of course, you can always email me and I'll get back to those as fast as I can, or as best as I can. But with a webinar, it may help out for those of you that still are struggling or have some questions there. So thanks again. I hope to see you in the course. Sign up to the newsletter list so you get notified when it's released. It's coming soon, November 25th, and we'll do the launch up until the Christmas time. So December 25th, 26th is kind of when the launch will end, and then it'll go to regular price. All right, thanks, and I will see you next time.